CEDAW. What is CEDAW? In 1979, the United Nations adopted an International Bill of Rights for Women called the Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women, that is CEDAW. Currently, it is one of the most broadly endorsed human rights treaties in the world, and the Global South actors have been instrumental in its creation. Every country which has ratified the treaty agrees to follow it. The CEDAW framework encompasses substantive equality, non-discrimination, and state obligation. Let's look at non-discrimination. Most countries around the world have signed the CEDAW agreement and are required to follow the principle of non-discrimination, which means that they have committed to respect, protect, promote, and fulfill the rights of women. However, discrimination still happens both directly and indirectly. Direct discrimination is sometimes embedded in the laws. For example, in some countries, fathers automatically transfer their citizenship to their children, while it may be difficult or even impossible for mothers to do the same. Without citizenship, the child is excluded from healthcare, education, and other services and opportunities extended to citizens. Indirect discrimination is often rooted in social and cultural norms. For example, banks base their lending decisions on factors such as income, length of time employed, and other expenses and debts. Women are more likely than men to be outside the formal labor force, earn less than men on average, and are more likely to take career breaks. Due to these factors, banks are less likely to lend to women than men. Patriarchy is enforced through both direct and indirect discrimination. Non-discrimination is the commitment to prevent both direct and indirect discrimination, and to follow the laws for non-discrimination both in letter and spirit. In the case of direct discrimination, laws have come into effect. For example, in Central America, laws which prevent child marriage have been passed, and all existing legal exceptions which allowed the marriage of minors have been revoked. In the case of indirect discrimination, subsidies have been introduced for girl children in many countries, which ensures easier access to education. Thus, non-discrimination ensures that women are able to access the rights and provisions guaranteed to them through changes in both legal framework and societal and cultural shifts.